In this video, I'll show you how to install Optifine on the SKLauncher. First, open the download link in the description. When the website loads, click Show All Versions. Choose the version that matches your Minecraft game and click Download. Next, click Continue. Wait 5 seconds, then click Skip at the top. Finally, click Download again and select where you want to save the file. Once downloaded, open the SKLauncher. Go to Installation Manager and create a new installation. Make sure you select the same Minecraft version you downloaded Optifine for, give it a name, and click Save. Then select it and click Play so the files can download. Now close the launcher, open the Optifine file you downloaded, and click Install. After a few seconds, it will finish. Just click OK. Reopen the SKLauncher, and you'll see Optifine listed. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,